Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Do you have a switch or a couple of switches in your house that you don't know what the heck they go to? Are they in a room where there is no overhead lighting at all? If yes, then that switch was probably once for a switched outlet. And it might still be. It would usually only switch the top receptacle of a duplex outlet while the bottom receptacle remained constant hot. However, if your outlets were ever updated and this tab between the two outlet screws was never broken off, then that would nullify that switch from doing anything. So check that out. And if that's not the issue, visit thevirtualelectrician.com to schedule a virtual electrician to help you figure it out.